Welcome back to our Rider Pro L. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2026, the Royal Enfield Meteor. This bike represents the next step in Royal Enfield's strategy to blend tradition with cutting-edge engineering. In this video, we'll explore its design, specs, technology, performance, and why it might just redefine what mid-segment motorcycles can be. Design and styling, modern meets classic. The 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor carries forward the company's signature retro-modern aesthetic. The bike features a sleek fuel tank with sculpted knee recesses, chrome detailing, and a dual-tone paint finish. The round LED headlamp with DRL halo, bar-end mirrors, and a minimal tail section give it a premium yet purposeful look. Lightweight alloy wheels and a split-seat design complete the package, making it equally attractive for city riders and weekend cruisers. Engine and performance, heart of the Meteor. At its core, the Meteor is powered by an all-new 499 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine producing around 47 horsepower and 48 newton-meters of torque. Built on a new hybrid steel-aluminum chassis, the bike offers improved rigidity and reduced vibrations. A 6-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch ensures smoother gear shifts, while ride-by-wire technology makes throttle response crisp and predictable. Whether you're navigating crowded streets or open highways, the Meteor is tuned for effortless performance. Technology and features, Royal Enfield goes digital. Royal Enfield has equipped the 2026 Meteor with its most advanced tech package to date. The instrument cluster is a full-color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and smartphone integration. Riders can switch between multiple riding modes: urban, rain, and sport, which adjust throttle response and ABS sensitivity. A keyless ignition system, USB-C fast charging port, and optional heated grips bring modern convenience to the retro design. Ride and handling, confidence on every curve. The Meteor rides on $43 million front forks and a monoshock rear suspension, tuned for a balance of comfort and control. The bike's low center of gravity and slightly rear-set foot pegs provide a sporty yet relaxed stance. Dual-channel ABS with 320mm front and 280mm rear discs delivers confident braking. With a curb weight of just under 190 kilograms, the Meteor feels agile in urban traffic but planted at highway speeds. Fuel efficiency and practicality, made for everyday riding. Royal Enfield claims the Meteor can achieve up to 30 to 35 km/L thanks to its efficient engine mapping and lighter frame. Combined with a 14-liter fuel tank, it's built for longer rides with fewer fuel stops. The comfortable ergonomics and wide seat make it equally suitable for daily commuting and weekend getaways. Pricing and variants, accessible premium. Expected to launch in mid-2026, the Royal Enfield Meteor will likely be offered in two variants, Standard and Touring Pro. Pricing is expected to start around $5,500, or Indian rupee 4.5 lakh in India, placing it squarely between the Himalayan 450 and the Interceptor 650. This makes the Meteor a compelling option for riders seeking a blend of modern features and classic Royal Enfield DNA. Competition and market impact, raising the bar. The Meteor will compete with bikes like the Honda CB500X, KTM 390 Adventure, and Triumph Speed 400.